Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new, welcome to my channel, Cooking with me, Chef Quee. Today we are making a quick and easy pasta salad. There's so many ways you can make this recipe, so many different ingredients you can add. It's your kitchen, whip it up however you choose. Before we get into it, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with everyone you know, and let's cook. Alright guys, I want to start by cooking my pasta. So I have 2 pounds of rotini here. You can use whatever pasta you want to use. And I'm just going to follow the box instructions and cook it for about 10 minutes. I know typically you would want to boil your water first, but y'all, I was doing a million other things, so that's why I did it the other way around. So I want to heavily salt my pasta water, and then I want to prep my other ingredients. Alright guys, so I'm not going to go too crazy with my ingredients. I'm going to dice up 2 cucumbers, half a tomato, 1/4 of a red onion, some ham. Later you'll see me add in some shredded cheddar cheese. But guys, like I said, the options are literally endless. You can add in some olives, broccoli, whatever you want to add, okay? Alright guys, so now that my ingredients are prepped and my pasta is done, I'm going to drain the water from the pasta, and we need to cool it down because typically we serve pasta salad cold, right? So you see me pouring it into a bowl, and I just realized I had so much. I'm like, this is going to take forever to cool, right? So I just poured it onto a sheet pan and placed it into the refrigerator for a good 30 minutes to allow it to chill. Alright guys, so 30 minutes later my pasta is nice and chilled, so I'm going to throw everything into my big bowl here and give it a nice good toss to combine.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Alright guys, so this is actually optional, but I had some cheese left over, so I just added that right on in. If you don't want to use the shredded, you can also use cubed cheese. Alright guys, so now I'm just going to season my pasta salad. So originally I wanted to use McCormick's Salad Supreme seasoning, but I could not find any anywhere. So I decided to just make my own and tweak it just a bit. So in my bowl I have some sesame seeds, paprika, salt, poppy seed, celery seed, garlic powder, black pepper, and some Cajun seasoning. Alright guys, so now I'm ready for my favorite part. So I have my bottle of Zesty Italian dressing here. And yes, we're using bottle dressing, y'all. I was being lazy. And now I'm just going to pour this delicious dressing all over and give it a nice good toss to combine. And I know you're like, girl, just pour the whole bottle in. And I promise you, I did once I turned the camera off. So no worries. It looks a little dry right now, but I promise you, I drenched it, okay? Alright, you guys, that's it. We are done. Whip this recipe right on up and bring it to your next family event, and you will not be disappointed. Thank y'all so much for watching and coming to cook with me. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, comment down below what you think of this recipe, follow me on all my social medias, and I will see y'all in the next video.